Verse 24. Then Jesus said to his disciples, if anyone desires to be my disciple, let him deny himself.
Let him deny himself.
Let him deny himself. Disregard.
Disregard. Lose your life. Denying yourself. Remember, yourself is connected to family, your house, your money, your children. That's yourself. Go on.
Let him deny himself. Disregard.
Disregard.
Lose sight of.
Lose sight of impilo yakhe. Anganaka ukuthi yena impilo yakhe idlulaphi. Okay, go on.
And forget himself and his own interests.
Maye uzikhumbula njani ukuthi unenkinga nakabo ziphi? Ukhumbula njani ukuthi ubroke? Ukhumbula njani ukuthi udinga umsebenzi? Okay, finish.
And forget himself.
Lithi uNkulunkulu uyazi ukuthi sidingani. Wena mele ungazi but yena uyazi. Wathatha iposition yakhe. Yena uyazi ukuthi udingani. Wena mele ungazi. Wena mele uzibhike, mele ungazazi ukuthi yini favorite yami, yini engithandayo, because lempilo esho iphilayo iza nobuNkulunkulu ayizi nawe. Iza nani nobuNkulunkulu ayigqokiswa igazi lenyama, igqokiswa inkazimulo. God will supply all your needs according to his riches in glory. Not according to the riches in the world. Riches in glory. But physically it will be riches. But they must proceed from the glory. Because God knows what you need. When I'm call. Then as a sinner, because God has given hard work to sinners. Let's go.
Let him deny himself, disregard, lose sight of, and forget himself and his own interests.
And his own interests.
And take up his cross and follow me. Cleave steadfastly to me. Conform wholly to my example in living, and if need be, in dying also.
Yes? But because it's in dying also. In dying also. And now you are losing below. It's losing yourself. And God finding you. God beginning his work in you. God dressing you. God taking care of you. Because you denied yourself. There are some things you'll never have in life until you deny yourself. Self-interest. That's why the book of James says you are praying. But let's go. Yeah, Baba. That's on Wednesday. Let's go.
Conform wholly to my example in living.
Conform wholly to my example in living. Jesus never worried what he's going to eat tomorrow. He focused on what God has begun in him. Let's go.
And if need be, in dying also. Verse 25. For whoever is bent on saving his temporal life, his comfort and security here, shall lose it, the eternal life.
His company and security here. Uzokuluza. When you save, I mean, you save, but security. Hey, let's go.
For whoever is bent on saving his temporal life, his comfort and security here shall lose it, the eternal life. And whoever loses his life, his comfort and security, for my sake, shall find it, life everlasting.
Who can take your life now? Because you have found your life in him, you lost your own life, and God began something.